What's up, guys? It's Movie Horror here, back for Blu-ray and 4K Tuesday. Same thing, today's just going to be a regular unboxing due to Amazon complications. But today's next unboxing will be for another Best Buy exclusive 4K SteelBook from Scream Factory, and that is for Pumpkinhead. On limited edition 4K SteelBook packaging. It's 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray. So there's the front, spine, back. If you want to read details and special features. J card. Okay, there's the front. Very cool, beautiful artwork. Back. And then the next part is really cool. It combines, forms a full image. We got 2 discs. Okay. Disc 1, 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray disc. Disc 2, Blu-ray disc. And here's the interior artwork seen from the film. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of Pumpkinhead, the limited edition Scream Factory 4K Steelbook. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. So if you think, leave in the comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite Scream Factory horror release of all time. Thank you.